Hello students, today I'm going to start with your chapter 7, that is study of gas laws. Before I start with the chapter, we should be aware of what we are going to study in this chapter. So in this chapter we are going to study about the properties of gases as well as few laws which are implemented only on gases. Fine. So let's begin the chapter. So first of all, you should be aware that what is a gas. We all know gas is one of the state of matter. Fine. Which state of matter? We all know that the particles are very loosely packed. The intermolecular force of attraction is weakest. So that are the main properties you can say, or how we define a gas. Now, in general, all gases, they show what kind of behavior? They show uniform behavior. Now, what do we mean by this? Uniform behavior means when pressure is constant or same, or even if you say when temperature is same, means the conditions are same, then all the gases, they show uniform behavior. What behavior? The general properties like compressibility, density, the its composition, all such properties that you are going to deal one by one. So let's start the topic now. So under the study of gas laws, the first topic that we are going to cover today is the characteristic properties of gases. Characteristic properties of gases. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स द प्रॉपर्टीज़ जो आपको बताती है कि एक्चुअल में ये कौन सी स्टेट है, गैस है, सॉलिड है या लिक्विड है. फाइन. सो फर्स्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक प्रॉपर्टी जो मेन आपकी है, दैट इज़ द कॉम्पोजिशन. कॉम्पोजिशन का क्या मतलब होता है? कॉम्पोजिशन मीन्स गैसेस किस चीज़ से बनी है. तो दे आर जनरली, वी ऑल नो, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट? दे आर मेड अप ऑफ molecules, right? So its main composition is what? Molecules, and they are very small in size as compared to, we can say, the volume occupied by the gases. Second property, if we talk about gases, they neither have a fixed volume. Gases neither have a fixed volume nor a fixed shape. I hope this part is also clear, that neither they have a fixed volume nor they have a fixed shape. Now what do you mean by this? That the particles, they are free to move. Fine. They are free to move. They do not have a fixed volume. They do not have fixed shape. They keep on moving here and there. Third point, they exert pressure. So gases, they exert pressure in all directions. हर directions में, walls पर, हर जगह, they create a kind of pressure. Fine. If I talk about the next point, fourth point, they are highly compressible. आप उसको easily compress कर सकते हो by applying pressure. तो जब आप pressure apply करोगे, the molecules, they will come closer and the volume is going to get decrease. Fifth property, they are highly expansible. Highly expansible. Expansible means you can expand them easily on heating. Fine. You can increase in volume or on decrease in pressure, and you can increase in temperature. So that is how we can expand it. Next comes out to be its sixth point. Sixth is that they have low density. Now what do you mean by this? Density means that mass per unit volume. So number of molecules per unit volume is very small in gases. Why? Because of the more intermolecular spaces. So ultimately what happens, that their density becomes what? Low. If I talk about the seventh point comes that they show the property of diffusion. Diffusion क्या होता है? Movement of molecules from higher concentration towards the lower concentration. Very simple example, if your mom is cooking food in the kitchen, obviously you can even smell it the last room of your house. Why? Because the particles, they are traveling from higher concentration towards the lower concentration, and that is known as the diffusion property. And last property, if I talk about of the gases, that is they can be liquefied. Now what do you mean by liquefied? Liquefied means that on cooling, जब आप गैस को cool करते हो, ठंडा करते हो, the kinetic energy क्या हो जाती है उनकी? Reduced, and the molecules will come closer. Now when they will come closer, ultimately what will happen? The gas will liquefy. I hope the topic is clear to everyone. So today we have just taken what? We have taken your introductory part of the gases, behavior, and the classification of the gases. Thank you, class.